Hello, welcome to our latest video. In this video we will talk about the benefits of apple for our health. But before starting the video, smash the like button and please subscribe to our channel to never miss out any of our video. From Red Delicious to Granny Smith, apples are a tasty and convenient way to add extra nutrients to your diet. It's that time of year again, apple picking season. And there are a number of good reasons why you'll want to fill up a basket. All apples offer benefits, though the nutrition and antioxidant content will vary slightly from one apple to another. The best one to eat is the kind you enjoy. Here's why else the phrase, "an apple a day helps keep the doctor away," may have some truth to it. 1. Apples may lower high cholesterol and blood pressure. Savor a juicy apple and you may help keep your ticker healthy in the process. Studies have linked apple consumption with reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, which may be related to the cholesterol-lowering benefits of the soluble fiber found in apples. 2. Eating foods with fiber, including apples, can aid digestion. You've likely heard that fiber is good for digestion, and what you've heard is true. According to Harvard Health Publishing, both types of fiber, soluble and insoluble, which means it can't be absorbed in water, are important for digestion. And you're in luck, apples have both types, according to the University of Illinois. 3. Apples can support a healthy immune system. Who doesn't want a stronger immune system going into autumn? Apples might be an important tool in your immune-supporting toolkit. According to research in animals, a diet filled with soluble fiber helped convert immune cells that were pro-inflammatory into anti-inflammatory and immune-supporting ones. Another animal study, published in May 2018 in the journal Immunity, found that a diet high in dietary fiber protected mice against the flu. Whether those effects would be seen in humans is unclear until there are more studies. 4. Apples are a diabetes-friendly fruit. If you have type 2 diabetes, consider adding apples to your diet. Sure, they're a fruit, but it's a common misconception that people with diabetes can't eat fruit. In this case, apples' soluble fiber can help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and may improve blood sugar levels, the Mayo Clinic notes. Plus, per Mayo, a healthy diet that includes insoluble fiber can lower your odds of developing type 2 diabetes in the first place. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget press the bell icon to get updated. We will be right back with the new video.